Good Monday, makers. My name is Dave, and this is an extra special Halloween episode of Maker Pipe Monday. We're going to check out 5 builds, all for Halloween, that have been created with EMT Conduit and Maker Pipe connectors. And we're going to check out one that we've got 2 years in a row. So he built something, and then he used all the same connectors in EMT Conduit for the next year, which I think is one of the awesome things about doing holiday decorations with EMT Conduit. This build is by Scott, and he made the Pumpkin Man last year that got a lot of attention on social media. Check this thing out. It's super tall and it's suspended from a tree. And he used EMT conduit and R fittings to kind of put it all together. There's a 45 that he used for the arms and then made this structure that the pumpkin head sat on. Really cool. There it is, all lit up at nighttime, and what a great structure and a really cool build. And he's got the whole thing suspended from a tree, I think, because he said it was pretty long and spindly. So he ran a chain down there, connected it, and then it was self-supporting. But really cool build, Scott. We love seeing that one. Thanks so much for sharing it. And we're going to see another build this year from Scott as well when he reused the connectors. Peter, he came in and he made this wonderful light display for his home. He did this whole section on top of the roof, and then he did some decorations on either side as well on the lawn. He's got these round circles, and then this whole section up here, he's got a few a spider, ghost up there. And then he was saying how he made this out of coroplast, and all of these have addressable LED lights, so he's able to program the light display for Halloween night, and it looks really neat. And he said that he's also going to possibly carry this over into Christmas and holiday season as well. But love seeing it. Go check out his post on the community. He goes through a bunch of the details on how he went about it and what he did specifically. Really appreciate that, Peter. Thanks so much. Here's one that we built for a maker fair in Atlanta a few years back. We wanted something, it was around this time that we were going to the maker fair, and we wanted something that was, spooky and celebrate Halloween. And we came up with this Frankenstein creature with the lab coat over a conduit skeleton. And then my favorite part was just the T connector here holding the the whole bucket of candy, so no one could run off with our bucket. No one tried, but I just thought it was a cool touch there. But that was a lot of fun, and people like that came by the booth. Here's one by Russell. He's got a whole display. Check out this. It is really pretty amazing. He's got this whole backyard haunted house maze that he created out of EMT conduit. He's got this whole maze that people visiting will go through, greeted by these big blow up structures. And I think this is such a good application. I've been waiting for more people to do this because you can build it out of EMT, you break it down, store it flat, and then use it for other times during the year or rebuild it for next year. But it looks really awesome. I bet he's going to entertain a lot of people on Halloween night. So that's a cool one. And he also says some nice things about how he was using the connector. So I appreciate those kind words, Russell. And then he says it's a great way to waste your adult money, which he's very, very happy. So thanks for those kind words. Appreciate seeing your build. Here is the second build by Scott. We started off with the Pumpkin Man, and here we are with the Pumpkin Spider. So this is all the same parts. Last year it was a Pumpkin Man. Now it's a spider. So cool that he's able to reuse all this and have a new build for his front lawn. You can see the structure there that he made, mostly T connectors with a couple 45s. Really cool. They got the body and everything, even some bends incorporated there, which I like to see. But yeah, Scott, awesome to hear the update. I'm glad you're getting multi-year use out of it, and it's a really cool build. If you like these, if you want to see more builds made out of EMT conduit and the creativity of the community, please consider subscribing. And who knows, maybe you got some time left for your holiday display. Let's see what you can come up with. Definitely let us know if you build something for the holidays. We'll see you next time. Thanks so much.